Okay, as y'all can see, I'm showing you guys how I do knotless passion twist individual crochet method. So this is the after result, so stay tuned so you can see exactly the products I use and how I achieve this. You know we got to start with some shine and jam, and that's our crochet needle. These are very, very important tools that you need. I'm using Xpression here. It's the Springy Afro twist 12-inch, and this is my passion twist by Bobbi Boss, and it's 30 in each one, and this is my setup, and it's also 18 inches. These are 18 inches, and I put the kinky hair at the top, and then I put the passion twist at the bottom. And yeah, so this is how I started the back. Very easy and simple. This time I just did them as I went. I made squares and I did them as I went versus how I just do all the braids first. I wanted to see if it would be a more of an easier method to kind of do it as you go, and I think I did about the same. So I'm actually using some detangling spray, which definitely helped me a whole bunch, and I'm using a bigger comb to go ahead and comb my hair out. You know, my daughter has 4C hair, so I'm going in and I'm making my parts, and I'm just perfecting it. I always try to use the tail to perfect it. Go ahead and put some shine and jam so that it can lay down and be shiny. Like, we need that, y'all. So here I am going in and braiding it. First, I need to comb it all the way through. You always have to comb it through, or it's going to be hard for you to achieve your braids if it's a little bit, you know, tangled. Okay, girl, get your braiding on. All right, so now I'm taking, this is a flat root method. So I'm taking it, the crochet needle, and I'm actually putting the extended hair, the passion twist, on the braid, and I'm taking her natural hair and I'm pulling it back through the root of her braid. So this is the new method I have been using because it's actually so convenient, and it's very flat on the roots for sure. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel because y'all know we come with more hair videos and makeup videos too. All right, here we go with the afro hair, and I just put it in and I start twisting it all the way around. So the difference is the passion twist is Bobbi Boss, the afro kinky hair is Outre Xpression. So, but all of the colors are the same. So I got a 4 and then I got a 1B and 27. The 27s on the different brands are definitely showing different colors. So that's one thing I would have did different, is I would have made sure that I had the same brand or as close to the same color as possible. But it still came out really cute. Not tripping on that. Still really, really cute. All right, so this is me going towards the front. I started doing the front because she was getting tired. She had school the next day, so I wanted to make sure if I wasn't able to finish that I could go ahead and pull her up into a ponytail and she still looked really good, like ain't nothing happening. And I tried to make them smaller so they could look fuller. So I made them a little bit bigger in the back, how like you would throw crochets in the back. And then I made them a little smaller in the front so that it would look fuller. And I think it came out really good. So I'm also using the same flat root method at the top, and it's just a different view, a better view. And that's it. I want y'all to subscribe to your girl channel. Go ahead and finish watching this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments for your girl. But just go ahead and finish watching the video and make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment. Until my next video, I will see you guys.